I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. This is the place where I prepare simple, healthy and delicious food. So if you're looking for something like this, you stick around, make sure you subscribe, and I'll share recipes every week. Today we're making mushrooms with coconut milk and some beautiful spices like cardamoms, cloves, nutmeg, cinnamon, and peppercorns. Let's wipe those gorgeous mushrooms with slightly damp paper towel. No need to wash them. Next, we're going to slice them as thin as you like. It might seem a lot, but trust me, they shrink, and 1 pound of mushrooms will serve 2. Melt 1 tablespoon butter on a skillet or use oil. I like to use a little bit of both. Add all the mushrooms, season with the salt, and do not stir for at least 7-8 minutes. Let them get nice and brown. Now you can stir and let other mushrooms get crispy and golden. See how they shrunk? I told you. Time to add coconut milk and 1 teaspoon mix of our spices. I ground them up so that they infuse the sauce better. Let it boil for 2 minutes to let the sauce thicken a little bit, and that's it. I happen to have this beautiful rice cake and I'm gonna serve mushrooms over it. Okay. So good. I'm glad I didn't season the rice cake because the flavors of cardamom and cloves and cinnamon and the sauce just flavors the rice perfectly, and you don't really need anything else. This is really good combination. So if you don't want to make the rice cake and go through all the things, so you can always make simple pasta and pour the mushroom with this beautiful cream sauce over. I guess that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.